Howdy, howdy, fellow Earthlings. Here in front of us, we have a Porsche 914 471 VIN number, 1971 chassis, originally a 4-lug. And today in front of us, we're going to take a look at the Wilwood brake solution for the 914. So this comes with the rear brakes and cables and parking brake assembly. So we have some plans for what we're going to use this for, but we're going to make it short and sweet, and we're going to unbox this stuff and give you guys a closer look of what comes in this package and how it works. All right, we're going to take a closer look at some of the components come with the Wilwood kit for the 914. So we got the parking brake cable kit, the hat for the rotor assembly, stainless steel flex lines, some brake pads, rotor, e-brake caliper, the brake caliper, all the hardware needed to bolt the Wilwood components to the trailing arm. And here you can see there's an aluminum block that mounts to the factory trailing arm bolts, and then e-brake and caliper bolt to that. There's a closer look at the rotor assembly with the hub. So the hub is aluminum, beautiful lightweight piece, nice solid rotor. That's their SRP pattern, and this is the documentation. So fantastic kit. I think Wilwood's American made. I went out to Camarillo, California. Big thanks to the folks there working on the production line and getting this stuff all packaged up in a day's time. And we're looking forward to installing this. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you guys would like to see any more details of this, and we'll see you in the next one.